Storytelling with data drives better business decisions because these are stories of data fact rather than data fiction. There is no shortage of data, however, there is an acute shortage of people with the requisite skills to make sense of that data. This course offers a unique blend of both data visualization and data analysis. Learners will be equipped with a toolbox involving the art of data visualization, knowing how to construct visuals, ultimately dashboards and storytelling through data, but also to be able to deep dive into the data to have a better understanding of econometric modeling. The course is designed for anyone who is curious about data, who recognizes the need and importance of data in decision making, but perhaps doesn't yet have the self-confidence in order to perform that analysis in order to inform decision making. After successful completion of this online certificate course, you should be able to make an impact from day one by knowing how to get started with analyzing data, how to interrogate data, and ultimately inform data-driven decision-making to have real impact in your organization. Join us for this interactive online certificate course on data visualization and analysis from the LSE.